Hello everyone, I am Dr. Aanchal Awasthi. Today I am going to talk about measure of dispersion. So the first and the simplest measure of dispersion is range. What is it? It is the difference between the largest and the smallest value in a data set. Okay, so difference between largest and smallest. So let us understand this with the help of one example. Consider we have a data set of time to get ready in the morning for last 10 days. Okay, so we have days from 1 to 10 and the time to get ready in the morning. It varies between, here what is the smallest value? The smallest number is 29 and maximum is 52. So time to get ready in the morning varies from 29 minutes to 52 minutes. Okay. So the difference between 52 and 29 is 23 minutes. So range is 52 minus 29. So 23 minutes. Let us consider another example. Here we have age of 20 students in a particular class. So again, if we look at data, we arrange it in ascending or descending order. We can easily get the largest value and the smallest value. In this data set, the largest value is 24 years and the smallest value is 20 years. So range is the difference between 24 and 20. So that is 24 minus 20 is 4 years. So here the range is 4 years. Okay. So it is very easy to understand. Although it's a crude measure, it can give us some idea about the dispersion. But it has many limitations as well. Its major limitation is that it does not take into account how the values are distributed between the smallest and the largest values. So that means it depends only on two data points, the largest and the smallest. So if we change every data point in between largest and smallest, the value of range will not change. Okay, so this is its limitation. That means it is not based upon all observations. Okay, this gave us only crude idea about the dispersion. Okay, so now we will learn how to calculate range using Microsoft Excel. So in this data set, we have age of 20 students in a class and we have to compute range. So for that we should use max and min function in Excel. So that is, we have to use is equal to max and then select range. Okay, so maximum is 24 and similarly we have to use minimum function min and again select the range. This is 20 years. So the value of range by using Excel is equal to the maximum value minus the minimum value. Okay, so range is 4. So it is very easy to calculate using Microsoft Excel as well. Hope you understand the concept of range and how to compute it manually and using Excel. If you still have any doubt, you can drop me an email or you can connect over WhatsApp using this number. I will be happy to answer all your questions. Okay, so please keep watching, keep learning. Thank you for watching.